Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, there's a cool middle right here, and basically what this is a cooling pillowcase. Eventually from this band right here. So this is basically what the packaging looks like, but let me actually open it up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. So basically it has an envelope design right here to open it up, and that's what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Immediately once you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely has like that cooling effect on here. And for the one that we got right here, it comes with a set of 2 of them. You guys can see how there's 2 of them right here, and both of them are the same thing. So I'm just gonna take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So basically the way how they designed this pillowcase right here is the fact that it's reversible. So one side, which is this side right here, is 100% breathable cotton. So it definitely will give you guys more of a warm feeling when you guys put this on. Whereas for the other side, when you guys flip it on the other side right here, you definitely feel like that cooling effect on this side because they use like a cooling fiber on here. So if you guys look really carefully at the actual material that they use on here, this side right here is the cooling fiber. If you guys flip to the other side right here, this is the cotton side right here, that's a breathable cotton. But definitely when you guys see the material on here, it has that like silky feeling on here. So it definitely feels like a silk pillowcase as well. But definitely feels very soft and very cozy once you guys actually feel the material on here. And they also mentioned how it's actually anti-static as well. So you don't have to worry about any static from it here when you guys actually use it. And supposedly for these pillowcase right here, it's supposed to help with like facial wrinkles and also hair damages. And for these pillowcases right here, they are hand washable, or if you guys want to throw in the machine to wash it, you definitely can as well. When you guys run the machine to wash it, I do recommend using like a mesh laundry bag, so that way you don't have to worry about damage the fabric on here. But definitely when you guys look at the inside right here, they do have an envelope design to actually seal up the pillowcase, which I'll show you guys how to use in a second. And for these pillowcases, actually comes in 2 different sizes. They have a standard size or queen size, and they also come in different colors as well. They have this in beige, gray, and also blue. The one that we got right here is a blue color. If you can see, it looks very nice. It definitely has like that sky blue design on here. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually go wash this first and actually test it out to show you guys how to set up and how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product in our mesh laundry bag. Let's throw it in the machine to wash it. Alright, so we got the product in. Let's wash it. Alright, so we just finished washing the actual pillowcase right here. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So I got 2 different pillows right here. Let me actually put on both of them. So all you need to do is just slide it in. Alright, you guys want to make sure it goes all the way in. And once you guys do, you basically want to put this side inside right here, because it has like the envelope design inside right here. So that way it should prevent the pillow from falling out. Once you guys do that, you guys can close it back up like this. And then it's basically all set. So I'm actually do the same thing for other one as well. Just slip it in just like this. And then same thing for envelope design right here. Seal it up inside. You guys want to close this part up. So just like this. And then you guys are basically all set. So basically for this side right here, we have the warm feeling side, where it's 100% cotton. But when you guys flip it to this side right here, they do have like the cooling fabric on here that feels really nice. It definitely has like that silky material on here, like I mentioned as well. And then basically the same thing applies to the other pillow right here as well. This side right here is a cooling effect. And the way how you guys know is when you guys put your hand on here, you can definitely feel like that silky material on here and also that cooling effect as well. And when you guys flip it on the other side, it doesn't feel any cooling effect at all. It actually feels pretty warm. And that side is basically the 100% cotton option. But I'm actually test it out and see how it feels. Alright, so when we actually try the cooling side right here, it actually feels really nice. You definitely get that cooling effect on here once you guys actually try it on and test it out. It actually feels really nice. So I totally see how this is actually really helpful during like the hot summer days. But if you guys want to use this during like the winter season, you probably want to flip it to the other side. So I'm actually flip it to the other side to actually test it out as well. So once I try it on this side, you definitely get a lot more of that warm feeling on here. You don't feel too much of that like silky material on here, and also you don't get that cooling effect on here as well. So I feel like this side is actually much more helpful during like the winter season when it's much colder, to actually give you guys that warm feeling instead of the cold feeling on here, which is very nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here in terms of how to set up and how to actually use it. And you guys can see both of these right here actually looks really cool and actually feels really nice. Welcome back guys. So now this quick test, our product definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. Super easy to wash the product and super easy to maintain as well. Literally all you're gonna do is roll this into the washer and wash it, and make sure you guys put it into a mesh laundry bag to protect the fabric on here. Once you guys do that, then you guys are basically all set to install it into a pillow. Just like how you guys saw in the video, if you didn't see, it actually works really well. But definitely love the way how they designed the pillowcase, how it's actually reversible. So you can definitely use one side or the other side. depending if you guys want more of a cooling side or if you guys want more of like a warm feeling side. You can definitely reverse it however you guys want to. But definitely having that cooling effect on here is actually really helpful during like the summertime when it's actually really hot. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the pillowcase, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality pillowcase that has everything on here in terms of the reversible option and also for like the cooling effect on here. Or if you guys want a warm feeling on here, you can definitely do either or on here. So if you guys want everything that I mentioned and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.